Hello and welcome back to the Homestead. My name is Annie. So this is kind of like a part 2. I've made a video about Graham sourdough discard crackers made with Hope, my sourdough. But I got the request of making it with regular. I was trying to find a recipe that really compared ingredients wise, but it was kind of complicated. But I did find something that was almost the same, but the sugar content is a bit higher. So if you want to try less brown sugar, you can. I kind of went almost a little bit over 3/4 of the way. So what you'll need is flour, whole wheat flour. Like last time I don't have, so I went with all-purpose flour. Brown sugar. I make my own. I made a video about it. I use my my mixer to do it when I want big portions to do. And then cinnamon, baking soda, salt, butter, whole milk, honey. But I'm doing today, instead of doing 100% molasses, I did half molasses, half honey, because I do have a little bit of honey this time. And vanilla extract. I don't have vanilla extract, I have maple. I don't think I'll be using it, but those are the ingredients that you will need in 2 bowls. So I have the 2 cups of flour here, 1 cup of brown sugar, so I'm gonna go like this, a little less than a cup for myself. And then I have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 3/4 teaspoons of salt. So we just want to mix everything together. And then we're going to take out the second bowl for the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so I don't have whole milk, so I'm just doing what I have here, 2%, 3 tablespoons. So this is where you would add the 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. As I'm mixing this, I just want to share some fun things. If you've missed last week's video, me and Lynn from Bucket List Homestead has teamed up together for a fun project, which is March Molasses Madness. And we're going to be publishing 10 recipes between the 2 of us in the month of March. On my live of Sunday, Lynn was a guest of mine, and we explained a little bit more into detail what this fun project will be. And I will be live on her channel on Wednesday of this coming week. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell if you don't want to miss any notification of a new video being published. My butter was not completely ready, so technically you were supposed to do this before. And you're gonna get your hands dirty. So I have 100 grams of room temperature butter. You don't have to do what I'm doing right now, it just makes it easier to rub it in with your fingers. I think I'm gonna try my pastry knife to see if that would work. It is working. So we just want to mix the butter inside until the mixture like looks like coarse breadcrumbs. You can also do this in the food processor if you want. I don't like to get your hands dirty. Adding the milk mixture to the dry ingredients. Once this forms a soft dough, I'm going to cover this for about an hour. Same thing as my other video I made, resist the temptation to add more liquid. Just work through it. Because it is forming a dough. Okay. So this is going to go in the fridge for 1 hour. So on the instruction, it doesn't say to divide the ball in two, but I'm going to do it anyways because I had the same amount of flour in my previous recipe, and my cookie sheets needed, I mean the dough needed the space, so I'm going to do that. And this time it says to roll it out 1/4 of an inch. So that's going to be a lot of muscle work. So the reasoning behind the fridge portion, the chill period, is to make this easier on us. And same thing, it's not going to be perfect, it's not going to be exactly rectangle, but it's going to taste exactly what it's supposed to. Delicious. It is definitely more sugary than the other recipe. So note to self, next time I'm going to add less sugar. Poke a couple of holes per square with a fork. gonna put this one in the fridge while I work on this one. Fredrik, sounds bra? Sounds bra? They're good? Yum, 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 huh? They're out of the oven. They look about the same. They just taste a little bit more sugary. I want to thank you for passing by the Homestead today, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.